Hello and welcome to KlinKode's app tutorial series. Today we'll explain what a legacy rule is and how it works. The updated Shopify API uses new rules that are much faster and more flexible than before, with many new options now available. That's why we recommend creating new rules instead of using old ones. A legacy rule is a rule that was created in an older version of the app. Even after updates, these rules still work, but they are not fully editable. It's called legacy because it was created before the new system or updates. Since the app structure has changed, these old rules cannot be modified properly. You cannot edit legacy rules. Some new features may not be supported, but the rule will still work as expected. If you need to make changes, delete the old legacy rule, then recreate a new rule with the same conditions. Here we can see that many legacy rules are currently active. We are able to view these rules, but we cannot edit them. From here, we can only delete the rules. Now, let's go to the checkout page and check whether the legacy rules are working or not. As you can see, the legacy rules are working properly, and error messages are also visible. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the KlinKodes app. Happy selling!